The phrasal verb come up with means to think of, create, or suggest an idea, plan, or solution. It's usually used in the context of brainstorming or problem solving. We're going to look at a few ways in which come up with can be used in English. We need to come up with a new marketing strategy to boost sales this quarter. Can you come up with a proposal for the new project by the end of the week? We'll need to come up with a plan to handle the increased demand during the holiday season. I've come up with a new way to study for the final exams that might help me remember the material better. He came up with a clever way to fix the broken chair. Now that you know how to use come up with in English, make sure to take a look in the description below. I have included my playlist for phrasal verbs.